The fantastic world of friction. Hey there, science explorers. Waving hand, ever tried sliding across a floor in socks, and then stuck? Or wondered why your bike stops when you hit the brakes? That's all thanks to our sneaky superhero, friction. Today, we're diving into the invisible force that's everywhere, even when you don't see it. Let's roll. What is friction? Friction is like an invisible glue between surfaces. When two things rub together, friction pushes back. Let's see. On rough floors, friction is strong. On ice, friction's weak, so you slip. Friction depends on two things. 1. How rough the surfaces are. 2. How hard they're pressed together. Let's do an experiment. Rub your hand together fast. Feel that heat? That's friction turning motion into thermal energy. Fire cool, right? Types of friction. Static friction. Try to push a giant rubber duck. It won't budge. That is static friction. It keeps things stuck until you push hard enough. Like starting to walk or opening a jar. Sliding friction. Slides a book across a table. It slows down. Sliding friction fights motion, like dragging your backpack or stopping a slide at the park. Rolling friction. Is it easier to roll a tire or a square block? Definitely the tire. Rolling friction is weaker, that's why wheels and ball bearings make things smoother. Fluid friction. Is swimming in water or honey easier? Fluids, like air or water, create drag. Ever felt wind push your bike? That's fluid friction. Let's perform a fun experiment. Time for a friction race. Let's test different surfaces. Ramp 1, smooth table. Ramp 2, rough sandpaper. Ramp 3, carpet. Which car wins? Ready, set, go! The car on the smooth table runs faster. See? Less friction equals faster motion. Now you try this at home. Friction, friends and foes. Good friction. Grippy shoes stopping you from slipping. Pencil writing on paper, without friction, no words. Bad friction. Squeaky door hinges. Shoes wearing out over time. To reduce friction, we use lubricants like oil. To increase it, add grip, like tire treads. Now let's wrap this up before it gets boring. Friction's everywhere, helping us walk, drive, and even write. Next time you slide or stop, thank friction, our invisible buddy. Smash that like button if you loved our friction adventure, and subscribe for more science fun. Stay curious, friends.